Hey, this is what I'm talking about. Just bought this brand new microwave. Just took it out of the box. Box is great shape. Bang, there it is over there. Real good shape. Put it all together and underneath the plate. Pull this out. That up there. Let's see. Right there. That's where it broke. Right there. I just got off the phone with them for a half hour, and they have nothing they can do for me. So here I am, stuck with a brand new microwave, and parts is broke.
You see the steam rising from the bowl of grits, right? That literally just came out of the microwave, as did the eggs and the bacon. I have never been that impressed with a microwave in my life. This is amazing. And then the inside is so pretty and like just, it looks like a female microwave because she's taking care of herself. Like, don't play with her. Don't play with her. Yes.
This way I can remember how to do it, and also for those who do not know, to set the clock on this, you're going to click timer clock twice, then set the time. In this case it is 3:15, and then you're just going to hit timer clock once more, and as you can see, that's how you set the clock.
So, I love Amazon and I love using Amazon, but I'm not happy about the damage to this. I don't think it's going to affect usage, but it definitely is not intended to be bent right there. Thank you.
Love this microwave. Love it. Absolutely love it. I had to get this on video though. Everything looks good.
I think it's the spring. We needed a new microwave. This one is a nice small size. It works great and it is incredibly quiet. We are enjoying it.
Now the microwave door don't want to open. It won't come open.